Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how to customize and edit the navigation menu in your Squarespace website. So let's get started friend. Firstly you need to type Squarespace in your Google. Click on the link and open in a new tab. Here firstly you need to sign up to a Squarespace account. I already signed up my account. After signing up, click on templates. To create a good website, you need to choose a creative template. Template is already created website which can you use according to your requirements. Just scroll down to choose your template. I will go with this template. Click on preview your template. It looks good. Now click on start with design. Name your website here and click on continue. Click on next and get started. So guys, here is the editor of our website page. Here you can change your website or arrange your website accordingly. Now we have to talk about the navigation menu settings. So click on the pages on the left side corner. Here is the main navigation menu and the navigation which are not linked. In the main navigation, here whenever you add your page, it will seen on this home page. But here in this case you can see that main navigation is empty, but the navigation which are not linked is here. So you will see a hand icon appear to the next page name. Click and drag to the page to the desired location in the navigation menu. So I will click the home menu to the main navigation. Here you can see that our home menu will appear visible to your website. So this is the main difference between navigation and not linked navigation. And this RSVP contact page is not visible because it will on the not linked menu. If we drag it to the main navigation, it will also appear on the top corner of your website. You can see that it will appear on the top corner of your website. But I have already created button here, so we have to drag to the not linked menu. It will look better here. Now also here your logo is on the left side corner, so it will look good. If you want to add your new pages, click on the plus sign. Here you can see variety of pages available. You can go to this blank page. If you select your new blank page, name it my experience, whatever you like. So this will add to the top right corner of your website. Now you can also add another page. Go to page layout. Here you can see variety of page layouts available. You can add according to your requirements. Anything you want to add, you can add from here. Now click on plus. Here is the scheduling page. You can also add your scheduling page here. Let's add one scheduling page. Click on appointments. Here you can see your scheduling page is available. Now if you do not want to appear on your website, just drag and drop to your not linked page. So it will disappear from it and it will appear on the not linked menu. Now you can also add your blog from here. You can also add your store page here. You can also add your portfolio page here. This is all the template design which are available on Squarespace. Also click on event page here. Click on videos you want to add to your page. Now here it is the folder option. Guys, this is the very important feature of your page. It will create a drop down effect on your Squarespace website. So please click on this, name it services, it will appear here. Now here you can see the add page option here. Now click a blank page and name it services 1. You can add numerous page according to your needs. Services page 2 and add services 3. So guys, this will create a drop down effect on your navigation menu. So when you click on this, you can see that 3 drop down effect will create it. It will look good on your website. So this is you can create your drop down effect on your website. Now if you want to hide this, you can just click and drop to your not linked page. Here double click it. Now you can change this to footer link and click on this page and you can name it privacy policy terms and condition FAQ. So here this footer link will not appear on your navigation menu, main navigation menu. If you want to delete your page, you can click on this delete button from here. You can click and you will delete your page from here. You can go to setting and you can here do anything to your page. You can also duplicate page from here. You can also add your SEO to your navigation menu. You can also add a social sharing image to here. And you can also apply some code injection to your page from here. This is the setting menu of your navigation. Click on this plus sign. Here you can see the link option. This will create a link to your external pages. If you want to link this page to any one of these, click on home. We are just click on home page. Go to web address, home, slash home, open in a new window and click on save. this will create link and this will automatically direct you to your home page. So this link is also very important factor in your pages. If you want to click on this appointment menu to appear in your navigation menu, you can click on this and arrange it like this. You can arrange it accordingly to your requirements like this. Finally, make sure to save the changes by clicking on the save button in the top left corner in the editor. So guys, this is it. Here, that's how you can add your or delete your page in the navigation menu of your Squarespace website.